Hello. Today I'm going to do an experiment with what rolls and what slides. Now I went around my house and I looked for things that I thought, okay, I'm pretty sure this is gonna roll. This might roll. And I just went around and I grabbed all kinds of stuff. I grabbed a milk carton, grabbed some deodorant, a cup, grabbed some spices, a couple markers, got a rock, I've even got a potato. I just grabbed the things around my house that I thought, I think this might roll or this might slide. Now, I wrote down some of my predictions on what was going to slide and what was going to roll. We're going to do that in just a second. But all you need to make a ramp, I just used a cardboard box and I just leaned it up against the fence like this. You can lean it up against a wall. You can use a cookie sheet, piece of cardboard, whatever. So let's see. The first thing that I decided would roll was the ball. Now that's a pretty easy one. I think you guys already know that this is going to roll. But I wanted to start out with an absolute. So here's my ball. Ta-da! Yep. The ball rolls. I was correct. Next, I guessed the orange. Now the orange is the same shape as the ball, so I thought, you know what? That's gonna roll. And it rolls. It does roll. So I can say I was correct about that. Then I found a little teeny mandarin. And I thought, well, I bet you it's gonna roll too. And it does. Then I went into the bathroom and I found some lipstick. And I found a lipstick that's this shape and a lipstick that's that shape. And I think this shape lipstick is going to roll and this shape lipstick is going to slide. Let's see. That one rolled and that one kind of slid and kind of rolled at the end. So I was right. Now, in my room, I found some thread. It's a beautiful spool of thread. So I thought, okay, let's see. I think it's going to roll. It didn't roll. Oh my goodness, it didn't roll. Huh. Well, maybe what would happen if I turn it like this? I wonder if it will roll. It rolled. Whoa. Okay, I just learned something really important. Okay, I'm gonna, this looks like this. I'm gonna see if the same thing happens with what I did here, okay? So when I had that, first I did this. Yep, it did not roll, it slid. So now, if I take it like I did with that, and I put it on its side, it rolls. Okay, I have learned something very important. It makes a difference what direction it is when it starts. Then the last thing on my prediction chart of what I thought would roll were marker pens. So I grabbed two markers. I grabbed a marker that is a circle shape, and I grabbed a marker that is a triangle shape. I'm going to predict that the round marker is going to roll, but that the triangle marker isn't going to roll. Let's try it. My round marker, it rolls. My triangle marker, it rolled too. I was wrong. Both markers rolled. So I predicted the ball would roll. It did. The orange would roll. It did. The lipstick would roll. It did. The thread and the markers, they all rolled. Now, I thought things that would slide. The baking powder. Let's see. If I do it like this, it slides. I was correct. I'm going to check that off. I also said that I thought the potato would slide because the potato is kind of round, but it's actually an oval. And so I thought, well, that might not roll. That might just slide. Let's take a look. I was wrong. It rolled. Oh my goodness, I was wrong. So the potato rolled. Then I grabbed some deodorant. I thought, well, this is kind of an interesting shape. It's kind of an oval like the potato. So I thought, well, no, this is just gonna slide. Let's see. Yep, it just slid. I was right. But then I grabbed some other things to take a look. I grabbed two kinds of spices. I grabbed some red pepper and some ras el hanout. And first, I want to show you one spice is round and one spice is square. I have to be very careful because one is glass. So I'm gonna gather up my things that I've been rolling and sliding. I'm gonna have to wash my fruit. Okay, here we go. First, I'm going to do the round spice. Let's see what happens. Oh, it rolled really well, really well. Now I'm going to take my square spice and I'm gonna have to move this over and be careful. Here we go. Nope, my square spice did not roll, it slid. So I think we can see that some shapes roll really, really easy. Let's try this. That rolled. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is that depending on how you position the same thing, it will change. Green beans, green beans. Just like we did with the thread and just like we did with the green bottle of lotion. If I put it like this, it is going to roll. But the same thing that just rolled, if I put it like this, it slides. Think on that. Now, the next thing you can do, if you want to, you and your family can take all of your things that you tried that actually rolled and you can have a contest. You can try to see which will roll the farthest and why. Why would something roll farther than something else? All right, you guys? You need to have your parents' permission to take the things from around your house, and you need to have your parents' permission for what you're going to make with your ramp, okay? Enjoy, and I'd love to hear how you did. Bye-bye, guys. I miss you.